The days of using only printed travel brochures and guidebooks to plan a holiday are over. The internet was used for holiday inspiration by 61% of people and as a planning tool by 80%. How do you fit into that and get even a small slice of that juicy internet pie? SEO, in a nutshell, is improving how high your business appears on search engines such as Google. The higher in the results you appear, the more likely a user will see and visit your website. So, where do you start? National and international businesses target search terms such as UK holidays. There is lots of competition around this term, so it's more difficult to appear at the top of Google. Then you've got search terms like holidays in Scotland. This is where people like VisitScotland make sure that their website and content ranks highly. People visit their website and then through business listings are referred onto you. So, what does that leave for you? You need to target specific search terms to your business, such as the name of your business, the type of business you have, and where you're located. So, you might go for lodges with hot tubs in Pitlochry. How do you get your website to show for this term? One way is to focus on on-page optimisation, which refers to the content people can see on your web page and the descriptions of the page that Google, etc. reads. There's a number of ways to do this. SEO isn't a quick fix and something you can do in a second, but by taking lots of small actions, you can start to see an improvement. Here's just a few things you can try. Tip 1. Keyword research. Use a keyword planner to do some research and work out a primary keyword, your main target, and some secondary keywords. Choose wisely. Google's smart these days, and the actual content on the page needs to match the keywords. Tip 2. Using your keywords. Use your keyword phrase in the title tag. These are the tags at the top of your browser and in the search results page. Meta descriptions. This is the description below your website title on search engine results pages. URL. The web address you use to visit a website is known as a URL, and every page on your website must have a unique one. H1. The main heading or title on your page is not just for the user, but a strong signal to Google what the page is about. Tip 3. Make your content interesting and easy to read. Images should be as beautiful and relevant to your business as possible. But you also need to give it a clear file name, alternative text, captions, and it should be a small file size, as how long it takes to load the page is also important. The layout should have your most important information near the top, just like in a news article. Split the page into sections and use headings, bullets, and numbers for lists. Tip 4. Link it up. Make sure your pages are linked to each other where relevant. Each landing page should link to any page that sits below it in the site structure. Always make sure text links sit on relevant words so the search engine knows what the link is about. Never use "click here" for the link. Talking about a topic that you're not the expert on? Link out to another great source.